What's up, guys? This one's not clanging so nice. The other one sounded great. So today we got a new hot sauce. This is the Mule Sauce, right, from Sticker Mule. Very cool. So we're gonna go ahead and get into it. Got the hot sauce knife here. Oh, it feels good. The Spyderco Cricket. That's of course to cut off our little plastic around the neck. And that did a good job of that. Put our garbage off to the side, close our knife, which we love so much. And very excited to use our new hot sauce spoon. A little, no, don't do that. Alright, so, I think we're shook up enough here. So this one is showing the heat intensity 3 out of 5 peppers. Let's read the ingredients here. I see it's chunky. I do like a chunky sauce. It just seems more natural. Not that it really matters because you can have a really good sauce that's blended better, I suppose. So ingredients: red bell pepper. That's a good sign. A vegetable for the first ingredient. Or, no, it is a vegetable. I'm thinking about tomatoes being a fruit. I got a little confused there. Distilled vinegar, onions, pure cane sugar, brown sugar, red habanero mash, jolokia pepper mash, yellow Scotch bonnet pepper mash, lemon juice from concentrate, garlic, ginger puree, and xanthan gum. The xanthan gum is always added for consistency. It makes things thicker. So this has 3 different peppers. 3 hot peppers. 1 very hot pepper. I'm very interested. Okay. Let me get to my nose first before I get hot sauce on it. All of a sudden I got an itchy nose. Ooh, that smells like straight up habaneros. It's got the little stopper. We'll see if we can use the stopper with our little hot sauce spoon. Yes, we can. Need more. I'm going to fill the spoon up. Even though it's very hot, this is a very tiny spoon. Just want to be able to taste it fully. Probably easier to do this without the dripper. Oh, there we go. Okay. Alright. So you got a little spoonful. Put this down. Smells sweet. It definitely smells hot though. Alright, bottoms up. Got a little punch. I love this little spoon. I will take another spoonful though. Let's pop this top off. Now I hope I don't, now I did that, pour it all over the floor. Because we have a tiny spoon, I gotta be careful now. Alright, there we go. That's what I want. Oh, little chunky pepper came out. Okay. And I'll lick the edge here too. Here we go. Another one. Oh yeah. Okay, that's plenty. Oh, definitely not lacking in the heat. Quite hot, but it's attacking the mouth all over. It's a good mix of peppers because the Buchalokia, that pepper kind of hits the back of the throat. It's smoky. It has wonderful flavor, which is coming through. But the fresh habaneros and Scotch bonnet, I mean, that just attacks everything. The roof of the mouth, the tongue, the gums, your lips. So, even though it's hot, it's very hot, but like at a commercial level. Like if you're at a steakhouse or something and you use this, you'd be like, oh wow, it's hot, wow. But you're not going to be like in the bathroom throwing up. You're not going to get stomach cramps or anything. It's all natural heat. There's no extracts in here, which is fantastic. With the right pepper combination, you can get stuff extremely hot without giving you cramps or making you feel like, you know, you're going to die. But yeah, it's good. I mean, it's all over. It's already kind of dissipating. Like it hits kind of hard. And then it's just kind of, it's like a steady burn that's like just slowly going away. You know what I mean? So like right now I'm probably at like 95% of its original heat and punch. But the flavor's great. It's all natural. It tastes like peppers. It's got that little bit of smokiness in it. This is really, really good. This would be fantastic on straight on meat. I mean, I'd put this on a steak. Chicken, you know, we're coming into barbecue season soon. You throw this on, I would throw this probably, I'd probably brush on some to cook the chicken, but then a couple dashes fresh on the outside once it's, so you get like kind of the char flavor going on there, but also just the fresh sauce you want too, because it has such a wonderful flavor fresh. So yeah, no, totally down with the mule sauce, man. This is really good stuff. This is the type of sauce that you actually want to use all the time. You know, in the past I made so many videos on extreme hot sauce. You give it to your friend, you laugh or whatever, but you're not putting it on food and really enjoying it, you know. This is it. This is absolutely delicious. So, and because it's so hot, this bottle will last a pretty long time. The hotter it is, the less I end up using, so the longer it lasts. Really, really good stuff. So, yeah, check it out. Sticker Mule, let's see, mulesauce.com. So they create their own site for this. And it looks like it's coming out of Amsterdam, New York. So, yeah, somewhat local, I suppose, being in Pennsylvania. Refrigerate after opening. Okay, I will. By the way, 0 calories. So, A+ on this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys have a wonderful day. And I'll see you tomorrow with a brand new video. Take care.